What's up? Today's video is going to be all over the place, but you guys want to see some of the details that go into a build, so I'm going to be installing the compressors and doing some wiring today, so let's get to it. Alright, I want to run the leader hose into the top of the tank. There's a port right here, and in order to do that I'm going to put an elbow on it. Alright, before I install this I want to put some Teflon on the threads just so that it doesn't leak. Alright, here's one of the two compressors that I'm running. They're Viair 444s, and just like that fitting, I need to put some Teflon on the end of the leader hose. Now it's ready to install. Okay, there's the one compressor. Now I just gotta do the other side. This rainbow of wires, I'll address that in a minute. Alright, next up I got the pressure switch. This is a 150 on, 180 off pressure switch, and that's what turns the compressors on and off. In addition to this, I've also wired a switch to the dashboard that I can operate the compressors with in case they're running when I don't want them to. I can turn them off or vice versa. So now I'm just gonna put this in. Okay, right here I've got the manifold valve. This is what controls the up and down for the air ride. And before I can install it, I need to make a bracket that it will attach to so I can mount it up underneath the truck. So let's do that real quick. Okay, got that all installed. Now all I got to do is run the air lines to all these fittings and to the airbags, and this should be all set. Okay, here's what all the air lines look like. I'm only running 1/4 inch because it doesn't need to be a fast suspension. I just want it to be adjustable, so running 1/4 inch is a little bit easier to run than something as big as like 1/2 inch. So next I just got to mount the airbags. Okay, let's see what happens when I put a little bit of air in these for the first time. Looks like it worked. Okay, now let's see if I can raise the back of the truck up a little bit. Alright, that's how the suspension in the rear works. It'll go up a little bit higher than that and it'll go down a little bit lower than that, but right now I've got these jack stands under here just because I don't want the truck to fall on me. But everything seems to work the way that it should, and I'm happy with that. Alright, I know that wasn't the most exciting video, but now that the suspension's about 99% done, I can move on to the next part, and that's going to be rebuilding the front axle. It's going to take a little bit of time, but once the front axle's built, there's only a handful of things left to do before this truck's 100% complete and ready to drive. So we're getting close, but not done yet. So as usual, stay tuned for more episodes and I'll see you next time.